Phnom Neang Kang Rey. Phnom Neang Kang Rey is a natural reserve located in Kampong Chhnang Province, Cambodia. It is situated about 14 kilometers from the provincial town and is known for its wildlife preserves, including Trabic Village and the Triangle Commune of Kampong Chhnang District. The area is characterized by tall trees, flowering plants, and offers a serene environment for casual strolls and nature walks. Phnom Neang Kang Rey provides visitors with the opportunity to immerse themselves in the beauty of nature and enjoy the peaceful surroundings. The site is popular among tourists seeking to explore Cambodia's natural landscapes and observe its diverse wildlife. The presence of various flora and fauna makes it an ideal destination for those looking to experience the country's rich biodiversity up close. Additionally, the proximity of Phnom Neang Kang Rey to the Tonle Sap River adds to its allure, with floating houses and fishing lots dotting the riverbanks nearby. In terms of cultural significance, Phnom Neang Kang Rey holds importance as a place where Cambodians can connect with nature and celebrate traditional events such as the Khmer New Year Pumbin. The site's fresh air, lush greenery, and hermit Toprom Pagoda atop the mountain top offer visitors a chance to experience both natural beauty and cultural heritage in one location. Overall, Phnom Neang Kang Rey serves as a haven for those seeking a retreat from urban life, providing a tranquil setting surrounded by pristine wilderness and offering panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. The area around Phnom Neang Kang Rey offers scenic views that are reminiscent of Khmer legend. Visitors can take a panoramic view from the top of Phnom Thaind or admire the beauty of Tropang On Chang. Other nearby attractions include Phnom Ind, Phnom Krang Romias, and Srei Tmai. These sites offer visitors an opportunity to learn about Khmer culture and history while enjoying the natural surroundings. The Rolaiapur district, where Phnom Neang Kang Rey is located, is known for its mountains that provide fresh air and a serene atmosphere. During Khmer New Year celebrations, many laymen, women, base huts, Buddhist monks, and even tigers come to this mountain range as it is considered an important attraction for caves and strong spiritual power. The spiritual power of the mountain is believed to have decreased during the Pol Pot regime but has been experiencing an upward trend towards peace and stability in recent times. Visitors to Phnom Neang Kang Rey can also explore other nearby sites such as Trabic Village, Triangle Kampong Chhnang District, Phnom Tapai, Phnom Tepi Kampong Hau, Phnom Rope and Dung Che District, and Prasad Slati Village. These sites offer unique experiences that showcase the natural beauty and cultural significance of Kampong Chhnang Province in Cambodia. Phnom Neang Kang Rey maps. To find maps of Phnom Neang Kang Rey, you can explore various sources that provide detailed cartographic representations of the area. One of the most reliable ways to access maps is through online mapping services like Google Maps or specialized platforms that focus on topographical features. Here are steps to help you locate maps of Phnom Neang Kang Rey. Online mapping services. Open your preferred web browser and go to Google Maps maps.google.com. In the search bar, type Phnom Neang Kang Rey and hit enter. Google Maps will display the location of Phnom Neang Kang Rey on the map along with surrounding areas. You can zoom in and out, switch between map view and satellite view, and explore the terrain using Google Maps. Specialized topographical websites. Visit websites that specialize in providing detailed topographical maps. Look for platforms that offer specific maps of Cambodia or Kampong Chhnang Province where Phnom Neang Kang Rey is located. These specialized maps may provide more detailed information about the elevation, terrain features, and nearby landmarks. Local tourism websites. Check official tourism websites related to Kampong Chhnang Province or Cambodia. These websites often have downloadable maps or interactive tools that showcase popular tourist destinations like Phnom Neang Kang Rey. Local tourism websites may also include hiking trails, points of interest, and other relevant information for visitors. By following these steps and utilizing online mapping services, specialized topographical websites, and local tourism resources, you should be able to access detailed maps of Phnom Neang Kang Rey for your reference.